When a soft reset doesn't resolve your YouView guide issues, the next step is to perform a manual guide refresh. This forces your box to request fresh program data from the broadcast network. Navigate to Settings, then System Information, and select Update TV Guide. This process tells your YouView box to actively request new program data rather than waiting for the automatic update cycle. After initiating the manual refresh, leave your YouView box powered on overnight. The update process can take several hours to complete as it downloads program information for all available channels. If the manual guide refresh doesn't solve the problem, you may need to perform a full retune. This completely rebuilds your channel list and can resolve issues caused by corrupted channel data. Before starting the retune, ensure your aerial connection is secure and your signal strength is adequate. Navigate to Settings, then TV Channels, and select Retune TV Channels. Select Full Retune rather than Add Channels. This completely rebuilds your channel database. The process takes about 10 to 15 minutes and will temporarily interrupt your TV service. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. This will completely restore your YouView box to its original settings, but it will erase all your recordings, series links, and personal preferences. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System Information, and select Factory Reset. After the reset, allow 24 to 48 hours for the guide data to fully repopulate. Prevention is better than cure. Regular maintenance can help avoid guide issues altogether. Here are the key preventive measures you should follow to keep your YouView box running smoothly. Perform weekly power cycles by unplugging your box for 30 seconds. Maintain a stable internet connection with at least 2 megabits per second speed. Keep all aerial connections clean and secure. Never interrupt automatic updates when they occur. These usually happen overnight and are essential for maintaining system stability. Also, monitor your storage levels regularly. Storage management is crucial for optimal performance. Keep at least 10% of your hard drive space free. A full hard drive can prevent guide updates and cause system instability. Following these advanced solutions and preventive measures will help ensure your YouView guide remains reliable and up to date. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding future problems and maintaining optimal performance.